Hola, buenos días. Ya estamos en la semana número 5. Semana número 5. And the lesson for today is el presente del subjuntivo, present subjunctive. Okay? All right, so we are going to review the back of the hands out. Let's see, it will move. All right, page number. Okay, which is right here. So subjunctive, we need to know what's the endings for regular verb, all right, before we start reviewing the rules. So remember, this is the endings for subjunctive only for regular verbs, okay? Es, hemos, en. And this one right here, as you see, it's exactly the same, okay? All right, so then we go back here and el presente del subjuntivo. All right, when we use subjunctive, remember we learned that we use subjunctive when we have a hope, a wish, a recommendation, a doubt, denial, emotion, and a judgment for somebody. Okay, so you pretty much have to have two different subject pronouns and que plus subjunctive. So the formula is subject pronoun here, right? Present, present tense here. Then we gotta do más. Let's do plus. Then we're gonna do que. And then what? What? Subjuntivo or subjuntivo. All right. So this one right here, I have to be present tense, and after que subjunctive. And of course, you need to have a different subject pronoun here. Okay, but if you know what who we're talking about, what we're talking about, then you can always leave this out. Okay, that's up to you. All right, so we are going back here to the next page again. So right here, every time you use hope, wish, recommendation, this is the verbs, okay? And those verbs must be in present tense because that's the first verb you're going to use in the sentence. Now be careful with ojalá. Ojalá you cannot conjugate it. It's just ojalá and you cannot say yo ojalá. Just ojalá que and then the subjunctive. I will have an example for you with ojalá. So all this must be in present tense. This one right here, doubt and denial, have to be in present tense, okay? And then after que you must use subjunctive. Now be careful because if you have no dudar, that means you don't have doubt, okay? And when you don't have a doubt, you cannot use subjunctive after que. You must use present tense after que if you're not expressing doubt, okay? So this word right here, no creo que, I don't think so. So this is expressing doubt. You must use subjunctive. But if I start the sentence with the word no, that means I believe. So you cannot use subjunctive, okay? Be careful because doubt, it's very, very tricky. If you know expressing doubt, you must use present tense after que. So all those words we know, if you remove those no, that means you don't have doubt, okay? And you know what to do if you don't have doubt. Emotion, all right, the first verb, which is this one, have to be in present tense, and after que, subjunctive. And judgment, which is raro que, sorprendente, incomprensible, interesante, inaceptable, una lástima. You have to use subjunctive after que. All right, so we talk about giving you an example with ojalá. Remember, ojalá, it's ojalá by itself. Oh, with acento, I can do acentos in this computer. Ojalá que pases el examen. Okay, I wish you pass exam. That's it. Ojalá que, and then this is subjunctive. Right here, this is subjunctive. All right, so let's use a different one. Let's use doubt. Okay. No creo, which is creer, but you gotta conjugate creer for a present tense for whoever is doing the action.
Good morning.
In
Will
this,
Wang please come down for insurance?
in this,
Wang,
in
please
this
come in for
case, it's
insurance.
present
Thank you.
tense for yo. No creo que tú, with acento, right? ¿Cómo se hace? Tú pases el examen. If we know who we're talking about, you can leave this out. No creo que pases el examen, right? Now, what happens if I erase no? Okay, now it means I do believe then you will pass the exam. Creo que pasas. Then here have to be present tense, okay? Because there is no doubt. So be careful with that, okay? All right. Hagan sus tareas y si tienes alguna pregunta, por favor, mándame un email, ¿ok? Ahora, yo quiero que hagas participation points, ¿ok? Participation points. Again, you're going to get the app where you can record your voice, and you're going to record your voice and you're going to send it to me by email, and you should title that assignment as a week number 5 participation points. Okay, just make sure when you record it and save it, open it and try to see if you can hear your voice, so that way you know I will be able to open it, hopefully. Okay, so what I want you to do is,
Good morning.
Dios mío.
Will Mary Youngblood please come down?
Okay, I'm sorry about that.
Mary Youngblood.
Okay, so what I want you to do is you are going to write 3 different sentences, okay? Tres diferentes oraciones. One, you're going to use, of course, this is all about present subjunctive. You're going to write 3 different sentences. One, it's with dudar. The other one is no dudar. And the last one will be es verdad, which is true. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. You're going to record those long sentences. You have to do complete sentences, okay? And then send it to me. That's it. That's participation point. All right. Hasta mañana. Adiós.